Okay, next is the continuation of the conversion of number system to other bases. Ano? So, let's start with decimal to hexadecimal. So, paano po yung decimal to hexadecimal? So, same concept lang. We're going to divide this by 16 and then use the remainder. For the fractional part, we're going to multiply this by 16 and use the carries as answers. So, let's start with 2, 3, 4. Yung whole number muna, no? So, 2, 3, 4 over 16. The answer is 14.625. So, write 14. Then, process the remaining 0. No. Write 14. Write 14 and then to get the remainder 0.625 times 16. 0.625 times 16 is 10. The next thing to do is to copy the 14. Copy the 14, then divide it by 16. So 14 divided by 16, that is equal to 0.875, which is equal to 0. And then, to get the remainder, 0.875 times 16. 875 times 16 is 14. So, the remainder is 14. So, in terms of hexadecimal, wala po tayong 10 and 14. But, may equivalent po yan na letters, no? So, ang 10 po kasi natin dyan sa hexadecimal is A. And then, yung 11 natin is B. 12 natin is C. 13 natin is D. 14 is E. And 15 is F. So, yung remainder natin na to, i-convert po natin yan as 10 kasi natin is A sa hexa. And then, yung 14 naman natin dyan is E. Diba? Sa hexadecimal. So, ang ginagawa natin parate, mula pababa, paitaas. So, therefore, that is 2, 3, 4 base 10 is equal to EA base 16. So, yung 2, 3, 4 na to, equal siya sa EA. Na ang base ay 16. So, we can do checking naman dyan, no? Sa part na yan mamaya. So, next naman, kunin natin yung kanyang fractional part. So, erase ko lang ito. Approve na natin yung 2, 3, 4 as EA. Okay, next is 0.828125. Mamultiply naman natin siya by 16. That is 13.25. So, kukunin natin si 13. Then, copy 0.25. Yun yung ipaprocess natin. Multiplied by 16. That will give you 4. So, dahil 4 ay saktong 4, we can write it as 4.0. So, copy 4 na lang, ano? Actually, pag sakto na, pwede ka nang huminto. Pero, kung gusto mo talaga makita yung 0, so what we can do is copy yung 0.0 or simply 0 na lang yan times 16, that is still 0. So, ang correct po rito ay mula pataas pa ibaba. So, that is 13.4. Pero, wala tayong 13 ano sa hexa. So, ang 13 natin sa hexa is equal to BCD, no? Ang 13 natin sa hexa ay D. Then, ang 4 sa hexa is still 4. So, therefore, the correct answer is D4, no? Paibaba. So, which means 0.8125 is equal to, in base 10, is equal to 0.D4 in base 16. So, our answer is D4, no? Para sa 0.828125. So 234.828125 base 10 is equal to EA dot D4 in base 16. Then we can have checking naman, no? So EA point D4. So ang A natin sa hexa is 10, 'di ba? So ito ay 10 raised to A natin is 10 pero ang part na to this is 16 raised to 0. Then ito naman yung E natin, 16 raised to 1 naman yung katapat niyan. Itong D natin, 16 raised to negative 1, and then yung 4, 16 raised to negative 2 naman yan. So we can solve it as, yung E kasi natin dyan is 14, no? Ang katumbas ni E is 14. So we can solve it as 14, or for clarification lang para di kayo maguluhan. So we can solve it as E times 16 raised to 1 plus A times 16 raised to 0 plus D times 16 raised to negative 1 plus 4 times 16 raised to negative 2. So ito yung kanyang magiging polynomial notation. Since ang E natin is equal nga kay 15, so we can write it as 15 times 16 raised to 1. Ang A naman natin is equal siya kay 10 sa hexa, so 16 raised times 16 raised to 0 plus yung D natin, BCD, that is 13 times 16 raised to negative 1 plus 4 times 16 raised to negative 2. So let's check with our calculator. Okay, so may mali ako, no? So, ang E is 14 pala. Ito, mali. Ang E natin ay 14. DEF eh. Okay, so that will give us 234.828125 in base 10. So, therefore, tama, no? Ang decimal ng 234.828125 is EA.D4. Point D4. So, that's the correct answer. Then, next naman po natin is binary to decimal. So, paano po natin i-convert si binary papuntang decimal? So, ito na, pakita ko na to kanina. So, we have 1011 dot or 0.101011 naka-base 2 papuntang decimal. Ang katapat nito, di ba, ay 2 raised to 0. Ito naman, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. Ito, 2 raised to negative 1, 2 raised to negative 2, 2 raised to negative 3, 2 raised to negative 4, 2 raised to negative 5, and then 2 raised to negative 6. Multiply mo lang yan, no? Unahin mo to. Itong nasa unahan. So, that is 1 times 2 raised to 3 plus. Ito, dahil 0 ito, wag mo nang isama yan. Ito na lang, yung may 1 lang. 1 times 2 raised to 1. Ito din. Plus 1 times 2 raised to 0. Plus, next naman, 1 times 2 raised to negative 1. Ito 0 to, wag nang isama. Then ito tayo sa 2 raised to negative 3. Plus 1 times 2 raised to negative 3. Yung 2 raised to negative 4, wag nang isama. Plus 1 times 2 raised to negative 5. Ito yon. And then, next is 1 times 2 raised to negative 6. Gawin mo lang yung kanyang polynomial notation. And then, solve mo na, no? Bali, 8 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 raised to negative 1 plus 2 raised to negative 3 plus 2 raised to negative 5 Okay, so the answer is 11.671875 base 10. Kapag pinag-plus mo siya, no? So, tama ito. So, yung mga 0, huwag mo lang isama yung mga may 1 lang kasi lang yung naka-on state or yung merong high value. Yung 0 kasi automatic wala yan. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So, next po tayo. Next is binary to octal. So what you're going to do is to group each part by 3 binary digits or bits starting from the decimal point and convert each group using binary to decimal conversion. Just in case nakulang ng 0, you may add 0 at the left of the integral part and or to the right of the fractional part. So from the decimal point. So from the decimal point, dito tayo 1 0 1 1. Pag ganon, no? 1, 0, 1, 1. Ito yung decimal point eh. Point, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So, ang hati po rito is by 3's ito, from the decimal point. So, pag ganon, tsaka pag ganon yan, no? So, 1, 2, 3, cut. 1, wala siyang partner. Lagyan mo na lang, 0, 0. Copy natin yung point na ito. Then, papunta dito, di ba, sa kanan. So, 1, 2, 3. Cut. 1, 2, 3. Sakto na siya. So, 0, 0, 1 in binary, that is equal to 1. Bayin lang natin, no? 0, 0, 1 in binary is 1. Kasi ito ay 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2. So, ang 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1. So, 1 times 1 is 1. Ito naman, 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2. So, 2 raised to 0 is 2. Or, para hindi tayo mahirapan guys, ganito na lang, no? Ito ay 1, 2, 4. So, on kay 2 tsaka kay 3. So, 2 plus 3 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Off kay 4 kasi 4 times 0 is 0. Ito naman 1, 2, 4. So on kay 4 tsaka kay 1. So this equal to 5. Next 1, 2, 4. So on kay 2 tsaka kay 1 which is equal to 3. So therefore our answer is 13.53. So, ganun lang po siya kadali. Ang gagawin mo lang, group by 3. Kung saan ang decimal point, doon yung start ha. Pakaliwa tsaka pakanan yung hatian. Okay, group by 3, starting from the decimal point. And then, convert mo lang siya binary to decimal conversion. So, ganun lang po kadali. The next is binary to hexadecimal. Kung kanina nag-group by 3 tayo, ang gagawin naman natin ngayon is groupings by 4 naman. Starting from the decimal point. So kung ito yung decimal point natin, pag ganon, and pag ganon dapat yung pagkaka-groupings. And convert each group using binary to decimal conversion. Just in case, we may add zeros to the left of the integral part or yung whole number yan, or to the right of the fractional part o yung mga naka-decimal point dyan, so try natin to. 1, 0, 1, 1 dot or point 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So groupings by 4. So pag ganun so 1, 2, 3, 4. So sakto na sila, no? Sakto na tong grupo nila. Next naman, pag ganyan. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ito yun, no? Sila yung mga magkakasama. O, copy lang natin tong dot 3 to. Then, 1, 2, dahil kulang, dagdag 3, 4. And sila na yung magkakasama. Ngayon, sagutan na po natin siya. Di ba ito ay 1? Ito naman 2. 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1. Ito 2 raised to 2, which is 4. Then dito naman, 2 raised to 3, which is 8. So, 1, 2, 4, 8 lang. Ito 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. Binary to hexa yan, ha? So, active kay 8, so 8. Active kay 2, active kay 1, so 8 plus 2, 10. Plus 1, 11. Ang 11 po sa hexa is letter B. So, this is, ito 11 kasi ito lahat, which is letter B siya, no? Kay hexa. And then, nakopya na natin yung dot. Next, active kay 8, active kay 2, that is 10. Ang 10 po kay hexa is letter A. So, 10 kasi ito, which is equivalent to A. Active kay 8, active kay 4. So, 12. Ang 12 po kay hexa is C. So, this is C. So, the answer is B dot AC. So, that is the correct answer, binary to hexa. Next naman is octal to other bases, no? So, we have octal to decimal. So, na-example ko na to kanina yung sa isa. Diba? So, ang gagawin mo lang dyan, halimbawa ito, 2715 dot or point 34. Diba? Ang gagawin mo lang dyan, ito, 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to 1, 8 raised to 2, 8 raised to 3. Ito naman, 8 raised to negative 1, 8 raised to negative 2. Then write it sa kanyang polynomial notation. So, unahin natin ito. So, 2 times 8 raised to 3 plus 7 times 8 raised to 2 plus 1 times 8 raised to 1 plus 5 times 8 raised to 0 plus ito na 3 times 8 raised to negative 1 plus 4 times 8 raised to negative 2. Then do the math. Just calculate it. So 2 times 8 raised to 3 plus 4 times 8 raised to negative 2, 3 times 8 raised to negative 1, plus 5 plus 8. Okay, so ito na po, no? Sagot natin ay 1485.4375 in base 10. So, super easy lang, no? Next is octal to binary. Kung paano natin ginawa si binary to octal, ganoon rin naman kay octal papuntang binary. So, ang gagawin natin, 2715.34, no? So, for octal ni 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ano? Kunin ko lang yung binary equivalent. Octal slash decimal na rin to, no? Kasi parehas lang naman yan. Ang decimal din ay 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ang binary niyan ay 0, 0, 0. Tatluhan parate, group of 3. Si 1 naman, 0, 0, 1. Si 2, 0, 1, 1. Si 3, mali, 0, 1, 0 pala. 0, 1, 0. Si 3, 0, 1, 1. Si 4, 1, 0, 0. Si 5, 1, 0, 1. Si 6 naman, 1, 1, 0. Si 7, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Ito guys, madali na lang to kasi 'di ba ito ay so unahan nito is tandaan lang natin 1. Unahan niyan ito 2, ito naman 4. Tingnan niyo kung ano yung nagwa 1, yun yung pag-a-add niyo lang para makuha niyo yung equivalent niya. Okay, so let's start with 2. 2 is 0, 1, 0. Si 2. O si 7, 1, 1, 1. Si 1, 0, 0, 1. Si 5 naman, 1, 0, 1. Then, copy the decimal, the point, I mean. And then, si 3, 3 is 0, 1, 1. And si 4 naman, 1, 0, 0. So, therefore, that is the answer. Ito, this is insignificant. Ano? Pwede nang alisin yan. So, 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, 0. 1, 1, 0, 0. 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, 1. And then dot. 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1, 1. Then yung dalawang 0 rito sa dulo, this is insignificant. You can also remove this. Parang sa decimal lang yan. Let's say for example, meron tayong 0, 1, 2, 4.4600. Yung 0 dito, hindi significant. Dito din, pwedeng tanggalin. So, you can write it as 124.46 in base 10. O, same lang rin dito. Yung nasa kanan na 0, kaliwa, sa leftmost, pwede alisin. And then sa rightmost, pwedeng tanggalin din. The next is octal to hexadecimal. So, octal to hexadecimal, ang gagawin natin, convert the octal number into equivalent binary, then convert the resulting binary into its equivalent hexadecimal. So, ang mangyari po, octal, papuntang binary. And binary papuntang hexa, di ba, i-group of 4 mo yan para maging hexadecimal. So, dadaanan natin si binary. So, let's start, no? Yung 2, ano yung equivalent ni 2 sa binary? 0, 1, 0. Ano yung equivalent ni 7 sa binary? 1, 1, 1. Ano yung equivalent ni 1 sa binary? 0, 0, 1. And equivalent ni 5 sa binary? 1, 0, 1. Then, copy the point. Ano yung equivalent ni 3 sa binary? Diba yan ay 0, 1, 1. Ano equivalent ni 4 sa binary? That is 1, 0, 0. So, we can do the groupings by 4. So, once again, mula po sa decimal point, pag ganito yung groupings. Mula rito, pag ganyan ang grupo. So, 1, 1, 1, 1. Apatan. Group of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan, nabuo na sila rito. Then yung nasa kabila, ito, buo na rin to, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyway, you can add 0, 0. Okay, so let's do this, ano? So 0, 1, 0, 1, that is equal to, this is 4. This is 1, so this is 5. Next. 1100, this is 8. This is 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. Kasi ano ito, no? 1, 2, 4, 8. So, 8 plus 4 is 12. Pero wala pong 12 sa hexa. So, ang 10 po dun is A, 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 is D, 14 is E, 15 is F. So, ang 12 po dun ay C. The next, this is 1, 2, 4, 8. So, 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 1, 13. 13 is equal to letter D. Then, copy the decimal. I mean, the point. And this one naman, 1, 2, 4, 8. So, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Then this one is 0. Pwede na siyang i-omit because insignificant na siya. So, that will be 5 CD dot 7 base 16. Pag may nakita kang A, B, C, D, E, F, most likely base 16 yan. Kasi siya lang naman yung may letters na A, B, C, D, E, F sa number system. The next is hexadecimal to other bases, no? Nagawa ko na to kanina guys, paulit-ulit na ito, hexadecimal to decimal. Ang gagawin mo lang dyan, multiply mo to sa, yung AF3. Same pattern pa rin naman yan, ano? Ito, multiply mo to sa 16 raised to 0. Ito, 16 raised to 1. Ito naman, 16 raised to 2. And then, 16 raised to negative 1, 16 raised to negative 2, 16 raised to negative 3, 16 raised to negative 4. Take note lang na yung A dyan, yung A, B, C, D, E, F, ang katumbas ng mga to ay 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 in decimal. So, papalitan mo lang to ng 10. Ito naman, palitan mo sa F ng 15. Ayun lang, no? Then, you can add it, no? Multiply mo A. Bali, 10 times 16 raised to 2 plus 15 times 16 raised to 1 plus 3 times 16 raised to 0 plus 1 times 16 raised to negative 1 plus 5 times 16 raised to negative 2 plus 1 times 16 raised to negative 3 plus 6 times 16 raised to negative 4. So, yun lang po yung gagawin. And may example na rin ako yan kanina, no? So, balikan nyo na lang yun. Next, hexadecimal to binary. So, malamang ang gagawin mo rito, sa hexa, gagawin mo siyang binary, ano? Pero, ang groupings mo rito by 4. Kapag hexa parati by 4, ha? I think mali ako nang nalagay rito, no? 2803. Mali ako nang nalagay dito. So, mali itong sagot na to. Okay, so meron tayong A, F, 3.15. So, ano nga yung A? Ang A is 10. Ang F naman is 15. No? So, check ko lang. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, tama. So, ang A is 10. Paano natin i-write ang 10 sa binary? So, that is kasi by group of 4 eh. So, tandaan nyo lang to parate, ha? So, 8, 4, 2, 1. So, to create 10, you need 8 tsaka 2. So, kailangan mag-1 si 8 tsaka si 2. So, that is 1, 0, 1, 0. Next naman, 15. Para magawa mo yung 15, that is 8 plus 4, 12. Plus 2, plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15. So, ibig sabihin lahat sila. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, si 3 naman, si 2 tsaka 1 lang dapat. So, 0, 0, 1, 1. Dot. 1 naman, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ito lang yung mo, mag-on, no, 1. And then, si 5, 4, and 1. So, that is 0, 1, 0, 1. So, ito po yung kanyang equivalent. So, this one, ito po yung equivalent niya in binary. So, isa lang, no? So, A. Ito si A. Ito si F. Ito si 3. Ito si 1. Ito si 5. Okay, so that is the correct answer. Then, for your assignment, you will try to answer this A, B, C, D, E, F, until L. Then, kasama rin po ito, no? Express nyo muna by converting them to decimal first. So, convert mo muna sa decimal and express the answer in the indicated number system. So, sabi niya, addition in decimal. So, gawin mong decimal, and then yung final answer ay naka-decimal. Subtraction in hexadecimal. Gawin mong decimal, then convert that answer into hexa. Multiplication in octal. Convert it in decimal. Pag multiplyin mo, ang answer niya ay naka-octal. Convert mo to octal. Division in binary. Convert in decimal. Then the final answer should be in binary. So, yun po yung gagawin. So, I think this is the last. And thank you for listening.